Ban penne hakijing to halor kijingja hak history jong Khasi naduh palat arspa Snem menchua kadega thong jong ki babun ki kraw perkhat jong kani karilum Khasi bat jantia bat kakot kabaningkong kabala tho ruba John F Khasi bat u Dr Bot hi sanbo rani kibala tho shapang ka history jong Khasi kadai hak Snem arajar khat khandai Kenang baki ba kin sok bantip tikna tangi ki tarik bat ki Snem jong ki Jingjia hakan de kanti kini ki arngut kinong tho kilapen mi sekawe pat kakot kabala pelat ba hakan de katayo Hak jalang kebelalong hak arpusan tarik mentah unailar arajar arpuar Hasilong College la pelat ba ya kakot kebelatho do ba John F Khasi bat u Dr Bot hi sanbo rani kebel ai kerteng the Khasi States a brief historical timeline 1771 to 2017 Yakan kakot la pelat ba hakan kasngi daka principal jong Hasilong College i Dr E Kharkongor kom ka kongsan hakajia lang ringkat ke head of department ka Khasi department Hasilong College i Dr E Nongbri ringkat ki wede ki bla shokot sngobha sakani kajia lang haba batai langkot sepangkani kakon uba John F Khasi yeng ulayathu bahadien ba mau ringkat u Dr Bot hi sanbo rani kilapen mi yakakot ke bekil ai kerteng the Federation of Khasi States History, Epistemology and Politics kaladan kijing ajing mut na kinong puli kiriu khamat bat ki start kot ki balapan sngau badai ban petang ya kijing thokot ka ban kedo bai tang ya ki tarik kom balabu hakakot ka baningkong bat en batai lengkot ya kijing mut jong ki Jingjia hakasan pathai ka biadai bat ka tarik hagi arspa saupondril Snem balaleng kata naduh ka Snem si hajar nyo spa nyo pawai hadu hajar kat nyo Kumta hakan kakot kabel ai kerteng the Khasi States a brief historical timeline 1771 to 2017 labu thup burunti tangi kitarik ka Snem bat kijing batai lengkot halor ka Jingjia klem da tho jrong lani batai bnia halor kita ki kam kat kum kitarik dak kababut lengkot ikijing batai kinong tho kinget bakane kakot kan long ka banang pensuk banyarap khamtami kinoya lambat kino sensyar nadu kishnong kirat hadu ki hima kari ban suthu bat shaya ka nongrim bat history jongki Khasi hapo kabri uhinyo trem
Maybe I was more ignorant in all these aspects, concentrating on the subject that I have taken an interest and I thought this is an amazing book by John Khasi because when we talk, the general notion of our Khasi in our Khasi society is that we lack documentation and that we lack so many things that will highlight, that will make things clear about our Khasi society. And even now, we live in an era of information technology. We have advanced so much in academics. We have the naduh, we have Khasi departments, we have so many things academically also. But there is still so much of loopholes that exists. And it seems we are ignorant on so many things that really affect us as a society. So this book is very precious, I think. I am confident. Why? It documents events from 1771. That means it illustrates the history of the society. And you know what? History, it emphasizes, it illustrates, or it provides the basis for our identity.
Nah Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.